No, it's St. Swithin's Day.
What's that?
15th of July. If it rains today, it's gonna rain all summer. Something like that.
우리가 처음 만난 날은 비가 오지 않았어요. 흐린 날도 있었고 어색한 날도 있었지만
Drink?
우리는 함께 자랐고 행복했던 것 같아요. 우리의 여름은 끝까지 아름다울까요?
See you around. I am.
Bye, Dex.
M.
1988년 7월 15일 전혀 어울리지 않을 것 같은 우리는 졸업 파티에서 만났습니다. 덱스터는 어쩐지 제가 신경 쓰였다고 했고 저도 그 접근이 싫지는 않았죠.
Oh, Emma, you pulled.
Thank you, AJ.
Hi. Sorry about that.
Entirely.
Drink?
저와 달리 덱스터는 타고난 한량이었지만
I'm Dexter, by the way.
Yeah, I know. I've seen you around.
그래서 끌렸던 것이 기억나요.
Do you know Cressida Adams?
No, who's that poet?
No, she's the sister of someone I know from school.
Just gonna put a tape on. What's your plan?
Do you usually ask for a breakdown in advance?
The plan for your life.
God. Right. Okay.
인생 계획을 물어봤는데 사실 그런 얘기를 할 분위기는 아니었던 것 같습니다.
What do you want to be when you're 40?
Am I allowed to say rich? All right then. Famous. Bit morbid, this, isn't it?
It's not morbid, it's exciting. Just be back in a sec.
Now where are you going?
Just the bog. Oh, I'm being such an idiot. I mean, he's used to these perky, giggly posh girls, and I'm in there being rude and sarcastic and twitchy.
저는 덱스터가 만났던 여자애들과 완전히 다른 사람이었지만 욕심이 났어요.
I mean, he slept with most of our year, most of the year below. Has he just worked his way down the list and got to me?
Do you think you might be overthinking this? Let your body do the talking.
No, I'm gonna chat. You know, there's nothing sexier than talking.
Okay. Let's talk.
그날 우리는 이성적이고 매력적인 밤을 보냈다고 생각해요.
I love that sound. Blackbirds at dawn. Yeah.
No, it makes me anxious.
덱스터도 마음에 들었는지는 모르겠지만 아침까지 함께 있었으니까 그랬을 거라고 생각합니다.
Oh, you off then?
Do you know what? I might see if we can leave later.
What should we do with the day? First day of our properly adult lives. Climb Arthur's Seat.
Well, never done it.
You've been here 4 years and you've never climbed Arthur's Seat.
Been busy.
Studying anthropology.
낮에는 등산을 갔어요.
We're really going all the way to the top.
에든버러에서 4년을 지냈는데 처음이라고 했어요.
Come on.
Oh my god, Dexy!
생각보다 나쁜 기분은 아니었습니다.
To one night stands?
Are we drinking to one night stands in the future? Because we didn't actually have one. Is it a religious thing? Not sleeping together.
God was not involved. I hope it doesn't feel like a night wasted.
Wasn't the night wasted? It's memorable. What are you doing?
우리는 이날의 어색하고 낯선 시간을 사진으로 남겼어요.
You know, it's St. Swithin's Day.
What's that?
15th of July. If it rains today, it's gonna rain all summer. Something like that.
매년 7월 15일이 성스위딘의 날이라는 것도 배웠습니다.
Well, bye.
Will you come for a drink? We've got time.
Which pub should we go to?
One in my flat.
하루를 같이 있었지만 왠지 헤어지기 아쉬웠어요.
Where have you been all day? Pleased to meet you, Emma. I'm Alison.
Hi.
Why don't you join us for dinner?
Thank you, but I've got to get back.
Emma, I'm so sorry.
Well, have a nice life.
Yeah, you too.
Sorry, Dexter. Did we interrupt something?
No. She's just a friend.
하지만 부모님께서 오시는 바람에 헤어져야 했어요.
Emily! And then I realised I don't have any way of getting in touch with you. I'm going to France until August, and then I'm back, and I thought maybe you'd want to come down and stay. You don't have
Yes,
to.
yes. Oh. So,
See you around.
그래도 다시 만날 수 있을 것 같아서 다행입니다. 1989년 덱스터는 또 유럽 어딘가를 떠돌고 있겠죠.
Okay, come on, let's do this.
that's best over the top, comrades. Let's make it a good one.
방랑극단에 들어온 후로 저는 치열하고 가난한 매일을 보내고 있는 중입니다.
So, while you're pouncing around eating gelato, I'm sat here pondering, what next? What am I doing with my life? Where do I go from here?
덱스와 연인이 될 줄 알았던 그때가 떠오르지만
Who is he then? Dear Dex.
Oh, he's a friend from university.
What friend sends that many postcards?
지금은 원래 그랬던 것처럼 완전히 다른 삶을 사는 친구가 되었습니다.
Where were you last night? We waited at the restaurant for ages.
The college disco. What? They're all over 18.
Have you met anyone on your grand tour? Tell me while your father's not here.
There's nothing to tell.
What about that girl who came and stayed for Christmas?
덱슨의 어머니께서 저를 궁금해하신다고는 들었지만
Bit shy. And she got drunk and started shouting about the miners' strike. I liked her. Not like the silly sexpots we usually find at the breakfast table.
It's just a friend.
I thought she was funny.
덱스가 절 여자로 보는 것 같지는 않아요.
Don't stop being nice, will you?
삶에 대한 고찰이라고는 해본 적도 할 생각도 없고
So what next?
Espresso. He
I
does.
mean, what next for you, Dexter? What's your plan?
Dunno. Barcelona.
I don't mean what city, Dexter. I mean, what are you going to do with your life?
Maybe journalism.
의미 있는 인생이 뭔지 모르는 녀석이니까요.
Looks and charm go a long way, Dex. And you got both in abundance. But I'm worried that you lack drive, purpose.
Not enjoying this conversation.
What I'm trying to say is that you've had luck. You've been protected from things, responsibilities and money. One day, things might not be this serene.
아마 그런 얘기를 꺼내는 것만으로도 낯선 기분이 들 거예요.
I did want to talk to you about something else, but I'm a bit drunk now, I think. Take me for lunch tomorrow. We'll talk about it properly.
Is it you and Dad? Are you getting a divorce?
God, no, never.
Deeds, not words.
우리는 연극에 대단히 중요한 가치를 담았지만 아이들이 그걸 알았는지는 알지 못한 채 투어가 끝났습니다.
To many more productions and to changing young lives through art.
저는 배우의 길을 포기하고 고향으로 돌아가기로 했어요.
So he's moved on to packages now, has he?
No, it's from my mum.
What, are you going back then?
Yeah, I suppose I am.
What kind of auditions are you going to get in Leeds?
I don't want to audition. I want to write plays, books.
Don't go back to Leeds.
게리는 저에게 뮤즈의 삶을 살아달라고 했지만
Apartheid project that I wrote to the Arts Council about. They want it, and they want me to develop it further. Yeah.
Sorry, the apartheid project, is that the proposal I wrote?
Yeah. But I just think we make a good team.
제가 꿈꾼 삶은 그런 게 아니었죠.
Oh, come on, Emma. Let's do this. Let's make theatre.
생각이 복잡한 밤. 덱스터의 간단한 엽서는 제 생각을 덜어주었습니다.
Tilly, it's Em.
Em,
I'm coming to London.
it's gonna be like uni, only we'll have money.
Well, I won't. But I'm going to try write a play.
제 편지도 덱스터의 생각에 무게를 실어주기를 바라요.
Where are you, Em? And what are you doing right now? I'm not much of a letter writer. Not like you. How's the show going? Are you set in the world of theatre aligned? I'm in Rome. But I'm going to come back to London in September.
9월이면 런던으로 갑니다. 덱스터도 그곳에서 다시 만날 거예요.
When are you coming?
September.
1990년 런던살이는 제법 고됩니다. 성수일인의 날 비가 오면 여름 내내 비가 온댔는데 제 런던살이도 쭉 힘들까 겁이 나요.
So that's it. Get to it.
덱스터는 리포터로 일하게 됐다고 들었어요. 생활비가 필요해서 시작한 식당 일은 익숙해지지가 않습니다.
Yo, my people.
Welcome to the graveyard of ambition.
여기서 이언이라는 남자애도 만났는데 본업은 스탠딩 코미디언이라고 해요.
So Ian, what brings you down Mexico way?
I need flexible hours. What about you?
What about me?
처음 만났을 때 제 본업은 뭐냐고 물었는데 저도 제가 작가가 맞는지는 모르겠어요.
What's happening?
The cucaracha.
Round and round and pa 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 cha cha cha. Foot, please. Come on.
게다가 오늘 이 초라한 직장에 덱스터가 왔습니다.
I'm not seeing you later.
Can't stay away. It's spelled Naomi, but pronounced Nomi.
타코 냄새에 찌든 나를 더 초라하게 만드는 여자친구와 함께요. 구질구질한 식단과 어울리지 않는 두 사람은 저를 더 작아지게 만들었습니다.
Is there any way that I could,
What?
I mean, is there any way that I could tip you?
Tip me?
Yeah, why not? I really want to tip you.
How do you know that guy from before, the one who looks like he's wearing mascara?
From university.
Is that his girlfriend?
Yeah, seems so.
It's just I'm doing a gig tonight at Ha Bloody Ha. Thought you might be interested in my unique comedy stylings.
It's a nice offer, but I'm meeting that mascara guy.
이연이 쇼에 초대했지만 오늘은 덱스터를 만나기로 한 날이었어요.
What the fuck?
Ever do that again. You can have that back.
괜히 자격지심을 부렸습니다.
Sorry.
Now do you shut up and pass me the bottle?
Why are you still there?
It's not everyone works in the media. Yeah, well, it doesn't matter anyway. I'm going home. Back up North Leeds home.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, why not?
덱스도 이제 잠자코 받아주기만 하진 않았어요. 오히려 전곡을 찔렀죠.
Buried yourself in quesadillas and now you're fucking off home. No, I used to think it was a lack of confidence with you. Maybe it's not. Maybe it's arrogance. I wrote a play and it didn't transfer to the West End, so fuck this, I'm gone.
Off, Dex.
Come lie down with me.
제가 얼마나 못났는지를 알려줬지만 잃어버린 자신감을 채워주는 말도 해줬습니다.
You know what I can't understand? You have all these people telling you all the time how great you are. I've been telling you for years. So why don't you believe it? People secretly ganging up to be nice about you.
Oh, I better go.
No, you're not going. You're staying, and we are getting another bottle.
덱스터와 함께 있으면 세상을 그나마 밝게 보려고 노력해요.
Are people really having that good a time?
What do you mean?
Well, that frolicking, it feels forced. Now I am actually gonna go.
Stay at mine if you wanted.
No, I should go.
그래도 계속 함께 있을 수는 없을 것 같습니다. 1991년 덱스와 그리스 여행을 왔습니다.
Useful, isn't it? Keep up, Morley.
우리는 친구끼리의 우정 여행에 몇 가지 규칙을 세웠지만
Right, rule number 1, no flirting with me or with anyone else. Well, there goes rule number 2.
규칙을 지키는 건 늘 어렵더라고요.
Honey, that bloke off the telly.
해변에 갔더니 덱스를 알아보는 사람들이 있었습니다.
You appear to be very slightly famous. Look at you, delighted. I can see it.
더 유명해지면 다른 사람이 되어버릴까봐 조금 두려웠습니다.
It's not going to change you, is it?
What?
Slight fame.
I hate that word.
What, slight?
What about me? I mean, am I any good?
Yeah, you're good. You are.
덱스는 그 일에 진지한 것 같아서 내색은 안 했지만요.
Look!
What?
Naked! Did we?
Alas, we're prevented by rule 4.
덱스는 흥미로워했지만 우리는 친구니까 선을 지켜야 했어요.
Besides, I don't think your girlfriend would be very pleased.
Oh, Ingrid wouldn't care. Yeah, she'd have had her top off in departures. Remember? Grad ball? Oh, one night of love.
Oi! In fact, I blanked it out. Like a car crash.
It was a fun night, come on.
우리가 친구가 아니었다면 이 여행은 없었을 겁니다.
Who wants first shower?
Oh, you go for it.
하지만 계속 복잡했어요. 우리는 친구가 맞는 걸까?
Do you think we'll get sick of each other staying here for 8 days?
No.
We might.
덱스의 마음을 알아보고 싶어서 진실 게임을 제안했어요.
Let's tell each other something that the other person doesn't know, like a secret. Just every night for the rest of the holiday.
Okay, here goes. I got off with a guy.
Did you enjoy it?
It was alright. I mean, a mouth's just a mouth.
You have the soul of a poet.
Well, you know what I mean. Your turn.
Okay.
제 마음만 원이 들켜버렸지만요.
After we met at graduation, before we became, pals, I had a bit of a crush on you.
Well, I'm sorry, but that doesn't count.
Why not?
Because you said it had to be something that the other person didn't know.
그 뒤로는 다시 바다에 갔어요.
Right. Going for a swim. You coming?
Are you insane?
속마음을 들키고 나니 알몸이나 아닌 거나 다름없는 것 같았고
Emma, come on!
Turn around!
아무것도 없이 물속으로 들어갔습니다.
What do you think?
Very lucky.
I mean, I felt the same. I didn't write any poetry or anything, but I fancied you.
덱스는 투명했어요.
It's just my problem is that I fancy pretty much everyone. I think we'd want different things, but if you wanted a bit of fun, I'd be up for it. No strings, no obligations.
나를 좋아했지만 나만을 좋아하지는 않았죠.
It's like you want me to still fancy you, that I should always just be off to one side somewhere, twinkling away for you.
그래서 저도 아무도 믿지 않을 거짓말을 하고 말았습니다.
Twinkling?
No.
1992년
You're a state!
요즘 덱스랑은 자주 보지 못합니다. 둘 다 각자 바쁘거든요.
Hello. Hope you started without me.
Started? You're 3 hours late.
Present.
Oh, beautiful wrapping.
그래도 덱스 어머니의 건강이 안 좋으셔서 선물을 보냈습니다. 좋아하셨을지는 모르겠네요.
How is she?
Good. Just out all the time. New friends. Cultured evenings.
덱스가 진행하는 프로그램은 별로 좋아하지 않으신다고 들었어요.
I don't care for the program. I just don't understand why you need to humiliate people all the time.
It's a silly late night show. Post pub. Don't overthink it.
I'm going to go and have to lie down. I'll need some help.
Of course.
기력이 많이 떨어지셨던데 그 애를 많이 걱정하고 계시는 것 같아요.
You're staying the night, aren't you?
I can't. I've got plans. Film premiere.
You'll stay for supper, though.
Of course. I'll be there.
It's time to wake up.
깨워도 모를 만큼 취해서 엄마를 걱정시켰고
You've had everything you ever could have wanted, and you've done nothing with it.
I'm a presenter on a TV show. I'm a celebrity, actually.
I think that you have it in you to be a fine young man, and I'm afraid the person you have become is not very nice. Come back next time and
I'm sorry.
start again.
I'll give you a lift to the station. Come on.
늘 유쾌하셨던 아버지도 크게 화를 내셨대요.
You're a grown man, Dexter. Your mother loves you very much. But in whatever time your mother has left, if you ever turn up at our door in that state again, I will not let you in. Do you understand?
저에게 전화했을 때 덱스는 취해 있었고 불안정했어요.
I just came from Mum and Dad's. And, well, what are you doing tonight? Just pick up the phone, Emma. If you're there, just pick up. Oh, shit. God, I just remembered. You got your hot date tonight. That's been an unbelievably shitty day.
Hiya.
Hi.
안타깝게도 저는 이언과 데이트가 있어서 그 전화를 받지 못했어요.
Minute steak looks good. Or is that minute steak?
이언은 여전히 이상하지만 좋은 녀석이었고 저는 백수 탈출을 앞두고 들떠 있었죠.
I had my first job interview today to teach English and drama.
Oh?
Yeah, good. I'm just happy to be doing something so we can stop endlessly pondering whatever the hell it is I should be doing.
또 그는 저를 온전히 필요로 해주는 남자였어요.
You still mates with Dexter? Never really liked him, I guess. In fact, I always thought he took you a bit for granted. God, I am wasted. Are you?
No.
God, I'm trying to be cool, but I can't. Quite happy to be seeing you again. I really, really like you, Emma.
그날의 덱스는 제가 필요하다고 반복해서 말했지만
I know you're out with Laughing Boy, but I just wanted to say I've decided not to go to the premiere in the end. I mean, I'd like that. I'll pay for your taxi. You can stay over. So,
그날에 저는 바빴어요.
where are you, dirty stop out? Oh well. Call me anytime. I'm not going anywhere.
1993년 07월 15일 덱스가 맡은 큰 생방송의 첫날입니다.
Sleep? Of course you didn't. Hell of a drug, adrenaline.
교사가 된 저희 첫 공연 날이기도 합니다.
Okay, let's take a break. It's gonna get there.
Any idea what time?
But Miss Morley, there's someone on the phone for you. Hello?
중요한 두 날이 겹치는 바람에 전화로 서로를 응원하기로 했어요.
Look, I've really got to go.
Sorry, got a boost.
Opening night.
둘 다 잘 해내고 있는 것 같아요. 조금 찝찝한 부분도 있긴 했지만요.
The kids adore you. You're a natural. Is your fiance coming? Is it your fiance?
Oh, God, no, just boyfriend.
I mean, you look glamorous tonight.
Right, great work, everyone. Great work, Sonia.
그래도 대부분은 괜찮았어요.
What are you doing here? It doesn't start for ages.
여전히 자상한 남자친구도 귀여운 이벤트를 해줬고요.
Can't wait to see you. Kick it live later.
하지만 걱정되는 부분이 있었어요.
This is your father here. I hope they put me through to the right room. Also, I don't know if you're still reading reviews or whatever they're called, but remember, these people have no idea who you are.
Don't know. Have you got a newspaper?
Do you know we didn't get them today?
저보다는 덱스 얘기였죠. 인기가 많아졌다는 증거였지만
You seen the papers?
One bad write-up. Not bothered.
See you, Dex. Good luck.
덱스는 자신을 비난하는 목소리를 무시하지 못했습니다.
Dex, stop. Stop. Just take whatever you're reading and put it in the bin.
What? You here? I need you here. And I really only want you.
전화 속 목소리가 너무 좋지 않았지만 당장 달려가기에는 저에게도 해야 할 일이 있었어요.
These papers, fuck them. And fuck whoever wrote them.
You can be, but they have no idea.
You're funny and charming and lovely. And you're going to be exceptional.
Thanks, Em. And I'll hopefully see you later.
덱스는 제 말 몇 마디에 쉽게 용기를 찾는 학생이 아니었습니다.
Miss!
What is it now?
It's Sonia, miss. You need to come.
This is just so many people. I'm not doing it. Do it without me.
Sonia.
I don't know why I thought I could do this.
Okay, you got it because you're good. You're really, properly good. Now, when you step out there, I promise you're going to find that you've got everything you need. Because it's all in there.
저의 학생들은 잘해주었지만
Going live in 20 seconds.
Jiggy, that's my water.
What?
11.
That's my water.
Well, just wipe that one, you weirdo!
덱스는 방송사고를 냈어요.
Hey there.
Is it okay?
It was freewheeling and live.
Ian?
Not from me.
You then. So sorry to miss it. I know it'll be a smash, Dex.
소소한 성공과 덱스가 보낸 커다란 꽃다발에 홀렸던 것 같아요. 이연의 기분이 상한 것도 친구의 상태도 제대로 알지 못했거든요.
Jesus Christ!
He looks terrified. Majestically bad.
Ian. Hi, Dex. Yeah, I don't think he'll be home. Probably out partying after tonight, and no wonder. Well, thank you for the flowers. Yeah, they're beautiful. And sorry, again, that I wasn't there. I hope tonight was everything you wanted it to be. Your mum would have been really proud of you.
1994년 07월 15일 소설을 쓰기 시작했습니다.
Who moved the body?
극본과는 또 달라서 형편없었지만요.
If you're stuck, why don't you go back to the play?
Because that too is crap.
Oh.
I'm going out tonight. I want to stink.
Whitehead Morley residence.
Hello, Leeds.
어느새 부모님께서 이연을 제 남편처럼 여기기 시작했지만
Okay, can you tell them I'll call them back tomorrow?
Oh, it's fine. They called to speak to me.
저는 아직도 덱스터와 친구입니다.
Oh, of course you've succumbed.
So what?
You've got a mobile.
I give you 6 months before you cave.
Never. If I ever get a mobile phone, you can buy me dinner.
Ian joining us tonight.
What?
You sound like Ian.
둘 다 서로를 좋아하지는 않아요.
Come on, let's get a drink. 2 martinis, Bombay Sapphire, very dry with a twist. There you go.
I've never had one of these before. It's like getting punched in the face by a drink.
Thank you. Keep the change. Cigarette girl. They're famous for it here.
저도 덱스의 삶은 여전히 익숙하지 않아서 이해는 됩니다.
How is Mr. Ha-Ha?
Yeah, he's good. The parents are delighted. They love Ian.
How come I've never met your mum?
Why would you? Now that I've got a boyfriend and my own home, it's like, now you make sense to us.
12 of the native oysters. I'll have the anglais and 1 more dry martini.
제가 변한 만큼 덱스도 변한 것 같았어요.
I've been asked if I want to review for one of the Sundays.
You'd write it yourself?
Of course I'd write it myself.
일도 자리 잡았고 주제는 희한하지만 글도 쓴다고 해요. 솔직히 꽤 낯설었습니다.
How's Callum? Do you see much of him? Or?
No, not really. I think it's important not to be too sentimental about these things. Oh wait, Oliver? I've told you about him, he's a baronet.
Oh, and? So what's that got to do with anything? Why mention it?
Lemon?
No, thanks. So where's the party?
Holland Park. You're welcome to come.
Sounds like it.
모든 대화가 맴도는 느낌이 들었어요.
Just a sec.
덱스는 만나고 몇 번이나 자리를 비웠고 식사에는 덜 익은 싸늘한 음식이 나왔습니다.
Can you take this off the bill? It's not cooked. And we'll see the menu. You just get something, please. They're not going to understand if you don't. What's going well? What? What have I done? Fine. You can tell me something new.
예전에도 종종 그런 적이 있긴 했지만 오늘의 덱스는 유독 더 날카로웠어요.
What's the point in starting things if you're never going to finish them? Have you finished anything since what, the year after we left Edinburgh? Then you're not writing. Either you're writing or you're not.
Thanks, Dexter, for that valuable tip.
짜증이 나서 견딜 수가 없었고
Those who can, do. Those who can't.
So go fuck yourself, Dexter.
Jesus Christ! Emma! Emma, come on. Emma.
그가 방송 일을 시작했을 때부터 생각했던 말들을 내뱉고 말았습니다.
You're always drunk or off your face on something or other every single time I see you, every time. And running to the loo every 10 minutes. I don't know if it's dysentery or too much coke. And even if you are there, it's in body only because the whole time you're looking over my shoulder in case there's some better option.
자격지심이 섞여 있었고
Why are you being like this, Dexter? You know, you've been through a lot in the last few years. With your mum, I've tried to understand that, really, I have, but you used to make me feel good about myself. But now you make me feel like shit.
저만 그랬던 것도 아니었어요.
Sometimes I just get a bit carried away, alright? If you weren't so judgmental all the time.
What am I
Censorious,
doing?
like how could he know that word? How could he ever possibly write his own column? Because here in the real world, I'm actually doing really well. And all you ever do is mock it. Listen, I remember when we were 22 and you said, what do you want to be when you're 40? And I said, rich and famous. And you took the piss. I may not be 40 yet, but I made it happen. And I don't know what you said you wanted from this world, but I'm sure this wasn't it. Throwing your lot in with someone who adores you, who you don't love.
Bye, Dex.
Emma!
I'm sorry, I can't do this anymore.
우리는 만난 후 처음으로 크게 다퉜습니다. 다시는 보지 못할 것 같다는 생각이 들었어요.
Yes, he was telling the truth. Let me bounce off it.
하지만 그의 말은 틀렸어요. 그럴 겁니다. 1995년 7월 15일, 오늘부터 6주간 방학입니다. 학교를 떠나기 전에 고덜민 교장 선생님과 인사를 나눴어요. 사실 그렇고 그런 사이가 된 지 좀 됐죠.
Shit. That'll be Fiona. Hang on, I'll take it. Yeah, that's better.
그는 유부남이고 방학의 대부분을 가족과 보낼 예정입니다.
Am I gonna do without you? Enjoy the summer.
헤어지기 전 꽤 비싼 생일 선물을 받았어요.
It's quite lavish.
Thank you.
30살에 첫 휴대전화를 갖게 되었습니다.
For fuck's sake. You're home late?
Yeah, not sure what that's got to do with you.
Where were you then?
이언은 우리가 헤어진 걸 받아들이지 못했어요.
What is this obsession you've got with me being with someone? What do you want?
Right, just tell me the truth. You got no obligations, just tell me.
제가 아직도 덱스터와 만나고 있다고 생각했어요.
I've got evidence.
Well, you just went through my private things.
But I didn't need to.
그는 제가 덱스를 생각하며 적었던 부끄러운 글들을 다 읽어버렸습니다.
I expected some trust. I hate it here. I always have.
Don't say that. This was our home.
I was never happy hearing.
No, I loved you. I still love you. I don't know what to do.
덱스의 말이 맞았던 것 같아요. 저는 그를 사랑한 적이 없었습니다.
Did you love him?
I suppose so. But years ago after Edinburgh. Before I met you.
Very talented. You should do something with it. I should go.
진짜 마지막은 그래도 최악은 아니었던 것 같아요.
Do you think it'll stop?
I'm sure that it will.
Still think you're the bollocks. Bye.
Bye.
If I ever get a mobile phone, you can buy me dinner.
I give you 6 months before you cave.
덱스는 제가 휴대폰을 사면 저녁을 사주기로 했었지만 정작 그에게는 연락하지 못했습니다.
Hey, it's Tilly. I'm Graham. We're not here, so leave a message.
저녁에는 졸업한 제자를 우연히 만났습니다.
Sonia Richards, hello. How are you?
I'm alright. University, hopefully.
Wow.
English at Edinburgh.
Oh, they'd be lucky to have you.
Well, if I do, it'll be because of you.
여전히 저를 멋진 선생님으로 기억하고 있어서 슬펐어요. 오랜만에 학생들을 기록한 노트를 꺼내봤고 글을 다시 써보기로 했습니다. 1996년 7월 15일 덱스가 게임쇼를 맡았습니다.
Anyway, I thought it might get me into the right mindset.
실비라는 여자와 진지하게 만나고 있다고 했습니다.
Wow.
Don't say wow. Come on. Something else I want to show you before dinner. So this was me as a teenage girl.
How many boys have you brought up here?
Don't suck up.
Of course I won't.
They'll adore you. Why wouldn't they adore you?
수준 있는 집안이라 첫 인사 때 꽤 긴장했대요.
What do your parents do?
Mummy.
This is a 1990 Cheval Blanc. Have you any idea what kind of a wine that is, man?
그리고 예상대로 실비의 가족들은 덱스를 별로 좋아하지 않았습니다.
Do you two play pranks?
Pranks?
Yeah, pretend to be each other, you know, when you're with your girlfriends.
Sleep with each other's girlfriends. As a joke.
대놓고 그를 깔봤다고 해요.
It's Dexter's agent. He's been waiting for this call all day.
Although I thought it was only doctors and people who saved lives who were on call.
They are keen to keep working with you.
Yeah, they just don't think it's going to work to bring you back for series 2.
People love you, Dexy, but they love you in an ironic, tongue-in-cheek, love-to-hate kind of way. What we need to do now is get people to love you sincerely.
잔뜩 쪼그라든 순간 덱스는 개편에 정리될 거라는 전화를 받았습니다. 변신이 필요한 순간이 온 거죠.
Congratulations, Dexter. Secundo series.
Thank you. Yes. No, I told Aaron that I need to think about it. I'm just not sure it's really the direction I want to go in.
Shit show.
Oh, Sam, can you stop?
그날 덱스는 남들이 자신을 어떻게 보고 있는지 뼈저리게 느꼈어요.
Ridiculous. Can you both just shut up?
Keep getting your twin brothers muddled up. I don't think they like me very much. I don't know. I think they think I'm a bit of a loser.
Does it matter what my family think of you?
Does it matter to you what your family thinks of me?
A little.
And then it matters to me too.
덱스는 친해지기 위해 그들이 좋아하는 게임을 했어요.
Are you there, Moriarty? Of course. Honestly, I thought you hosted game shows.
Good luck. Come on, Dexter.
Are you there, Moriarty? Yeah.
우습고 모욕적이었죠. 그들만의 세계에 빠져있던 가족들은
Dexter, come on.
No.
Take me on.
Okay. You asked for it.
Here we go.
Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's game on.
Sylvie, I didn't mean to.
No, get away. You didn't even ask if she was there, Moriarty.
끝까지 덱스를 우습게 만들었습니다.
It was just an accident.
여자친구와는 금방 화해했지만
Do you forgive me?
I forgive you. You were doing fine until you hit me. They liked you as much as they like anyone who's not a blood relative. Let's get some sleep, shall we? Are you laughing?
제가 생각났다고 했어요.
I was just imagining describing the day to my friend who I know would find it funny. An old friend who I haven't seen for years.
1997년 7월 15일. 오늘은 필리의 결혼식입니다. 저는 간단한 건배사를 맡았죠.
I'm looking forward to your speech.
Oh, no, not a speech. It's just a toast.
Okay, listen, Dexter's here.
Okay.
그리고 3년 만에 덱스의 얼굴을 봤습니다. 필리다운 결혼식이 끝나고
A writer? Yeah, I suppose so, technically. I've got a tiny advance, so taking a sabbatical at the moment, yeah.
친구들이 모인 자리에서 그럴싸한 근황을 들려줄 수 있어서 다행이었습니다.
Oh my God, is that Dexter me? Do you know I had a thing with him once? What? I can't believe you're still dining out on this.
졸업한 지 10년이 지났지만 덱스는 여전히 시선을 끌었어요.
Did you see that Emma Morley show?
Yeah. I heard you two fell out. We did.
저도 덱스도 서로에게 선뜻 다가가지 못했습니다.
Excuse me. Do I know you from somewhere?
먼저 다가와 준 쪽은 덱스였습니다.
Is that a Rachel?
Christ, I hope not.
I better go. I'm under strict instructions.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's one of the great cosmic mysteries. How it is that someone can go from being a total stranger to being the most important person in your life.
덕분에 간단한 축사가 조금 긴장됐죠.
I am so glad that apparently inauspicious night in Wandsworth turned out to be the first link in your golden chain with Tilly. To Tilly and Graham.
She seems fantastic. Hurry up and introduce us.
피로연이 무르익을 무렵 우리는 미로로 향했어요.
Can we go somewhere, just me and you? Just for a chat.
Why didn't you say? What if we get lost?
미로를 빙글빙글 돌면서 이미 다 알고 있던 서로의 근황을 나눴죠.
Let's see, you've written a book, got a massive advance, you've given up teaching.
Hang on. Who told you that?
It's about me, isn't it?
Yeah, it's entirely about you.
I'm off the drugs, I'm off the booze.
덱스는 조금 어른이 된 것 같았습니다. 책임감이라곤 하나도 없던 그때보다는요.
I'm engaged.
Dexter, that's amazing. Congratulations.
Well, I wanted to tell you in person and give you this.
Now that is a wedding invitation.
덱스에게는 기쁜 일이 한가득 있었습니다. 특히 그에게 가족이 생겼다는 소식은 저를 복잡하게 만들었어요.
There she is. Or he. But do you think it's a good thing?
Yes, of course it is.
덱스도 그런 것 같았습니다.
Hello, darling. Where are you? Bollocks. Okay, we've got to get out of here.
돌아가는 길, 저는 솔직한 이야기를 꺼냈습니다.
I'm a bit drunk now, but I'm just going to say it. I've missed you. There have been so many things that I wanted to talk to you about, but you weren't there. Every single day that I didn't see you, I thought about you. I wish Dex could see this, or Dex would find this funny. And then seeing today, I thought maybe I'd got you back, my best friend. I really am, but I kind of feel like I've lost you all over again. You know what happens when you have a family, or...
It won't be like that, I promise.
그리고 우리는 이제야 진짜 친구가 될 수 있을 것 같아요.
Friends again?
Yeah, friends. Now let's go, I want to meet your fiancé.
1998년 덱스는 정말로 캐레 매장에서 일하게 됐어요.
Didn't you used to be in the telly? Like what happened to you then, mate?
여전히 알아보는 사람도 있었지만 그래도 잘 해내는 것 같아요.
Hello, Jazz. I wouldn't call her that. She is Jasmine. She is not Jazzy. Sorry. She's been an awful day. And no sleep, ever. She won't nap. She's awake half the night, and I'm so shattered.
실비는 출산 후 신경질이 많아졌고 덱스는 아내가 스트레스를 많이 받는 걸 걱정했습니다.
I'm just gonna cancel tonight. Well, I'm not really in the mood, to be honest. A hen night.
Yeah, we'll be fine, won't we, Jazz?
So put her down around 7, okay?
Fine.
혼자 파티라도 가서 스트레스를 풀길 바랬죠.
Look, if there's an emergency, then call my mobile.
아빠 노릇도 꽤 잘 해냈습니다. 저를 떠올린 건 추억이 덕지덕지 묻은 물건을 찾았을 때였어요.
Guess what I just found?
How many guesses am I allowed?
Actually, do you know what? Just come over.
No, I'm at Tilly's, remember? Okay, I've got to go, Dex. I will call you tomorrow. Bye.
Tills.
Mixed salad with chips and salad, no onion.
No onion.
Oh, no onion for me too, please.
Here you go.
Oh, God.
저는 틸리 가족과 안락한 시간을 보내고 있었고 가족이란 이렇게 따뜻한 거구나 할 때쯤 덱스는 반대였던 것 같아요.
Hello. Having fun?
It's okay.
Where are you? It's very quiet.
How's Jasmine?
Jasmine is smiling, aren't you, sweetheart?
But you're managing.
Of course. You ever doubt me? Well, you should get back to your party. I love you.
You too.
둘이 다시 잘 지냈으면 좋겠습니다.
All okay?
Oh, you know, not really.
He's fine. Try and forget about it. For Christ's sake, I've given the guy a job. What else can I do?
(1999년) 21세기를 앞두고 저는 꽤 괜찮은 성공을 거뒀고
You didn't have to meet me, you know.
Of course I did. So Oris. So when were you last in Paris?
About 3 years ago.
두 번째 책의 집필을 위해 파리로 왔습니다.
Dex, listen, I have something.
Please, can you sign this for me?
No, don't be ridiculous.
Remember, I thought it was wonderful.
So tell me how things.
그리고 덱스는 이혼했어요.
Have you spoken much?
Not if I can help it. You hear that? They've moved him with Callum. Yeah, he leaves me messages. All gruff and cheery. Give me a call, talk things through. Wanker. Maybe I should go. Still owes me 3 weeks' wages.
딸의 성장을 지켜보지 못하는 게 가장 힘든 것 같았어요.
There's a great pile of them every time she arrives. It's like Christmas morning every time. And I don't even know what to buy her because every time I see her, she's different. Christ's sake, she started walking and I missed it. How can I miss that? I mean, isn't...
저라도 위로가 되면 좋을 텐데 말이죠.
Where have you gone?
No, Em. When I was younger, everything seemed possible, and now it's like nothing does.
덱스를 집으로 초대했어요.
Here we go. Chez moi.
뭔가 조금 착각한 것 같았어요.
You met someone? Yeah, that's good for you.
파리로 오기 전 있었던 일 때문이었죠.
I came to talk about what happened.
What's to say? I mean, we slept together once. Okay, the night. We spent one night together, a single night.
Yeah, and the next thing I know, you've run off to Paris and thrown yourself under the nearest train.
Why do you think that everything that happens because of you?
What it meant, I don't know.
This is amazing. You're annoyed because we haven't examined our feelings.
저는 그날 일이 가벼운 위로였다고 생각했습니다. 하지만 덱스는 아니었나 봐요.
Well, I've been thinking about it. A lot.
Yeah, I've thought about it too. Back in the late 80s, it was all I thought about.
And now?
Now, our time's passed. You can't just rock up here when you're on your uppers and think good old Emma can always fall back on her.
It's the opposite. It's.
그때 남자친구가 찾아왔고 대화는 어색하게 끊겼어요.
Yeah, no, I say I'm sorry. I think I've picked something up on the train. My neck feels.
덱스는 몸이 안 좋다며 자리를 거부했습니다.
I'm gonna stay at Jean-Pierre's tonight, so you can have the bed.
제가 떠나고 많은 생각을 했다고 했어요. 그리고 저도 그랬습니다.
What is it? What's wrong?
It's French for tonsillitis. Your pretend tonsillitis had told Jean-Pierre was coming down with it too.
우리는 만난 지 10년 만에 연인이 되었어요.
You mock me about Dexter.
실비와의 사이도 나쁘지 않습니다.
The wedding, it's very, very kind of you to invite me. It's very generous. I'm going to sit that one out. I really am so happy for both of you.
제스민을 돌보는 건 어려웠지만
I mean, first 10 minutes I'm this model stepmom, and then I'm just shattered.
함께하다 보면 행복한 가족이 뭔지 알 것 같았어요.
She's completely out.
Dex, I think I'd like a baby now. What about you?
우리를 닮은 아이가 있으면 좋겠다 싶었죠.
I was just waiting for you.
2002년 함께 나이 먹어가고 있는 행복한 아침입니다.
I'm getting fat.
No, you're not.
Damn, look. God. I'm a mess.
Nonsense.
그래서인지 아이는 찾아오지 않았어요.
Something wrong?
I'm not pregnant.
It's still early days. Yes? We'll try again.
Afghanistan's a mess.
Perhaps I'm too stupid. I'm not always interested.
예전처럼 쓸데없는 주제로 싸웠습니다.
Let's just change the subject. You know what? Let's not even do that.
걱정되는 마음에 너무 예민해졌던 것 같아요.
I just worry we've left it too late.
Redouble our efforts.
Well, if you put it like that.
마음을 편하게 먹으려고 노력하기로 했죠.
And I love this. Our life, me and you are just, I miss getting excited about songs and books and people.
Well, what if I told you that this place we're going to see has a breakfast bar?
I could be happy with a breakfast bar.
I love you. We'll try again.
언제까지나 맑고 화창한 인생은 없으니까요.
Ooh, trouble in paradise. You can't always be waltzing around in Paris. Boring. Real life.
Remember? On since Withen's day it doth rain, something something will remain again. I just love you, that's all.
Hi there, I've got the address. I'm getting soaked. I might be about 5 minutes late.
성스위딘의 날 분명 맑은 날이었는데 갑자기 비가 내리기 시작했어요.
The main thing is I love you too. Very much. I'll see you soon. Bye, my love.
우리의 남은 날은 흐릴 예정입니다.
Mummy!
Yay!
You've been drinking.
No.
2003년 07월 15일 덱스는 다시 술을 마시기 시작했습니다.
Are you having a dance?
A year ago today, Emma died. Was killed by a careless driver.
1년 전 오늘 때문이에요. 덱스는 또 한 번 무너졌습니다.
In the cabinet. I'll put on some soup.
No soup.
You need to eat something.
그가 살아 숨쉬는 모든 공간에 엠마가 있었고
She philosophically noted dates as they came past in the revolution of the year. She suddenly thought one afternoon that there was yet another date of greater importance. Her own death. So we have a birthday.
And a death day. The date on which we're gonna die.
덱스는 그걸 버틸 수 없었습니다.
Let's just say that I think that the best thing you could do is to try and live your life as if she was still here.
I don't know if I can.
1년이 또 지났어요. 저를 아는 친구들이 다 모였습니다.
Great flat. Couldn't be any closer to the heath.
덱스는 혼자 살 작은 집으로 이사했습니다.
Can't believe it's been 2 years. New beginnings. And to Emma.
극복하려는 노력이었어요. 어색했지만 모두는 슬픔을 털어내려 노력하고 있었습니다.
Maybe we should make this an annual thing. You know, talk about our memories with Emma. Make sure we check in on each other.
Biscuits.
I'll go.
Hello. Must be an extremely difficult day for you.
It's just a day.
고맙게도 이언도 찾아와 주었습니다.
How are you, Dexter?
어쩌면 우리를 가장 먼저 알아챈 사람일지도 몰라요.
You made her so happy, which was annoying. I better get back to the family. I suppose what the point is. So, I just wanted to urge you not to give up.
친구들이 모두 돌아갔습니다.
Call if you need. You've come a long way this year.
Bye, Dad. Love you a tiny bit.
I love you a speck.
혼자 슬픔을 털어내야 할 차례입니다.
I don't mind, you know, if you just got rid of it all.
I'll never do that.
It won't always be like this.
I was going to change it.
Time.
I can really feel the clouds parting, Em.
Well, at least this year you can pass out on your own carpet.
There's not enough in there for that.
And you'll go to the offie and you'll buy a couple more bottles. And maybe some cigarettes, and then you'll smoke them in here, which you'll regret. And then Tilly will call you later. But you won't want to sound sad or pissed, so you don't pick up. And you'll feel guilty and hungover and just... And it'll go on like that until it doesn't. Because one day, it won't.
2007년 07월 15일, 에든버러도 많이 변했습니다.
Excuse me, could you keep off the grass, please?
Sorry, you used to be able to dance here.
Daddy, look, there are people up there.
하지만 아서스 시트는 그대로였어요.
Can we climb it? Dad, you're so slow.
덱스가 등산의 젬병인 것도 그대로였고요.
There's the Royal Mile, and the castle, and Carlton Hill, and down there, over there's where I met Emma. You know, it's St. Swithin's Day.
What's that?
15th of July. If it rains today, it's gonna rain all summer. Something like that.
다행히 오늘은 그날처럼 맑았습니다. 이제 남은 여름은 맑을 거예요.
It was nice. I think you should head off to China or India or wherever and find yourself, and I'll get on quite happily with things here. We had one really, really nice night together, and that's all. I'll always remember it. I'm not being a footnote.
A footnote?
Yeah. In the story of your life.
덱스는 떠나고 저는 남을 겁니다. 언젠가 또 만나길 바라요.
See you around.
Yeah, I hope so.
I am.
Bye, Dex.
Bye.
원데이는 동명의 소설을 원작으로 한 14부작 시리즈입니다. 이미 한 차례 영화화된 적 있는 작품이죠. 대학 졸업 파티에서 만난 두 친구의 사랑 이야기를 다루고 있는데요. 한 회차에 1년의 시간을 스킵하는 독특한 형식의 작품이었습니다. 그 안에 둘 사이에 어떤 일이 있었는지를 상상하는 재미가 있었죠. 초반엔 남녀 사이의 친구는 없다는 말이 떠오르는 스토리였지만 거의 20년의 시간 동안 이어지는 둘의 사랑 이야기는 무척 깊은 여운을 남겼습니다. 20대 초반부터 30대 후반까지의 이야기를 모두 한 배우가 연기했는데요. 특별한 분장 없이 시간의 흐름을 표현해낸 진하고 섬세한 연기력이 대단했던 것 같습니다. 재미있게 보셨다면 넷플릭스에서 보실 수 있으니 반드시 시청해보시길 추천드립니다. 시청해주셔서 감사합니다.